Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video on how to evaluate functions. Alright, so the first page we're going to do together, so stay with me and take some notes. And then the next page you're going to have a chance to work by yourself. And then at the end, you can see how you did. Alright, so evaluate, what in the world does that mean? Alright, so anytime you hear the word evaluate in math, what it means is you substitute a number for a variable and then you simplify. Alright, so you substitute a number for a variable and then simplify. All right, and remember, when you simplify expressions, you need to always follow the order of operations. Always, always, always. All right, so let's take a look at three examples here. Here we have the function f of x equals 4x plus 2. Okay, and our first problem, we want to know, okay, what y is going to equal. And remember, when we say y, we're talking about f of x when the x value is 2. Okay, so the way you might see this written in a problem is f of 2 equals 4x plus 2. So what this means is basically, what's the y value going to be, okay, when this x right here equals 2? So we're going to substitute, I'm going to use a different color for that one. We're going to substitute a 2 for the x, okay? So that 2 is this 2 right here. So it's going to be 4 times 2 plus 2. Now we have to follow order of operations. So 4 times 2 gives you 8. And 8 plus 2 gives you 10. And there it is. All right. So really, what that 2 means is basically, what will y equal when this x right here, okay, equals a 2? All right. Now this one is just f to negative 3. All right. So it's going to be f to negative 3 equals 4 times negative 3 plus 2. All right. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12 plus 2. And negative 12 plus 2 gives you a negative 10. All right. So all I did is I just substituted the negative 3 for the x and I simplified. All right. This one is a little more advanced. Okay. This time we have f to x plus 1. So it's going to be f to x plus 1. It's going to equal 4x plus 2. And again, now I'm going to replace this x with an x plus 1. So it's going to be 4 times x plus 1 and then plus 2. Now I need to distribute the 4, right? So that's going to be 4x plus 4 plus 2. And that will end up with 4x plus 6. And there it is. All right. So now that you know what it means to evaluate a function, why don't you pause the video and try the problems on the next page. And then when you're done, hit play, you can see how you did. All right, good luck. All right, welcome back. Let's see how you do with these problems. Okay, so for this, we have the function f of x equals 3x plus 4. Okay, and the first one, we want to know what's going to simplify when the x equals negative 10. Okay, so I'm going to write this as f to negative 10 equals 3x plus 4. And then when I substitute a negative 10 in for the x, that's going to be 3 times negative 10 plus 4. And now it's got to simplify. So 3 times negative 10 is negative 30 plus 4. And we get negative 30 plus 4 will give us negative 26. There's the first one. All right. The second one is f to negative 5. So it's going to be f to negative 5 equals 3x plus 4. Again, I'm going to substitute the negative 5 for the x. So it's 3 times negative 5 plus 4. And that'll give us negative 15 plus 4. And negative 15 plus 4 gives us a negative 11. And then last but not least, we have f to the x minus 3. So it's going to be f to the x minus 3 equals 3 times x minus 3 plus 4. Now I distribute. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 3 is minus 9 plus 4. And we get 3x minus 5. And there it is. All right. So I hope you did well with these problems. So remember, anytime you hear the term evaluate, all that means is you substitute a number in for a variable and then you simplify the expression.